Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS VIVOBOOK F1504Z. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS VIVOBOOK can't hold a charge, it may indicate a failing battery. This can happen due to age, overcharging, or even software issues. If left unaddressed, your device may become increasingly unusable, leading to potential data loss or further damage. To carry out a successful battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's important to ensure you have a clean workspace to prevent any damage. Begin by turning off your ASUS VIVOBOOK and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, gently flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully, placing them in a safe spot. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the casing. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the battery. It will usually be a large rectangular component with wires connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery cables by gently pulling on the connectors, ensuring you don't tug on the wires themselves. With the cables disconnected, remove any screws securing the battery in place. Be mindful of the type of screws and their length. Keep them organized for reinstallation. Once the screws are removed, lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place, then reconnect the battery cables to the motherboard. Make sure they are firmly in place to avoid any connection issues. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to double-check that no cables are pinched or obstructed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it back into place, ensuring it clicks securely. Replace all screws to secure the back panel and flip your device back over. Connect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check the battery status to confirm that it is charging correctly. To prevent the battery issue from recurring, ensure you avoid overcharging your device and regularly update your software. Keeping your laptop in a cool environment can also prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.